All right, let's look at example 1. In Ty's math class, 20% of students earned an A on a test. If there were 30 students in the class, how many got an A? So for this problem, we're going to go ahead and go back to our tape diagrams that we talked about in our last unit a little bit. So we're going to draw a piece of tape on our paper. Now our piece of tape represents our whole, or everything that we have, which in this case are the 30 students in the class. So I'm going to mark that this is our 30 students. And if we have all of these students, this is 100%. So now I want to think, if I want to figure out what 20% of the students would be, how can I take this line and break it up into 20s? Is that a possibility if I have 100? So over here to the side, I'm going to do 100 divided by 20, which when I work that out, I get 5. So I'm going to take my line and break it up into 5 boxes, as equal sized as possible. Now I'm going to do the same thing with my number. So I have my 30 students, and I need to break that into 5 chunks so I know what each of these boxes or units represents. So I'm going to go 30 divided by 5 is 6. So what I found out is that each one of these units represents 6 students. So 1 unit equals 6 students. I also know that 1 unit, or one of these boxes, is equal to 20%. So 1 unit equals 20%. Now it asks in my question if 20% of students, so I want to look at one of these boxes. So my answer would be 6 students earned the A.